Let me say a special welcome to all the people right here. I'm Dennis Walks, and I would like to do a little thing. So I hope you may appreciate. Oh yes. What I don't think or don't think. Thank you. I love you. All right, baby. Come on, girl. What I don't think or don't need, what is out there to my heart is no fair. So you may do what you may and say what you will, 'cause you are the one we're gonna pay the bill. The faster you climb, the harder you drop. Better take your time till you reach the top. Oh yes. If you walk too fast, you'll have to walk again. You better take your time till you reach, my friend, right now. What eyes don't see or don't need, what is to pay to my heart is no fair. Do what you may and say what you will, 'cause you are the one who really gonna pay the bill. Yeah. I love you. Come on. The faster you climb, the harder you drop. Better take your time till you reach the top. Oh yes. If you walk too fast, you'll have to walk again. Yeah. You better take your time till you reach, my friend, right now. What eyes don't see or don't need, what ears don't hear, to my heart is no fair. Do what you may and say what you will. You are the one who really gonna pay the bill. Oh yeah. I love y'all. Ooh. Come on. All right. Keep it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ready? One more.
Two more. Listen it.
Come on, baby. Girl, will you run, come and give me your love? Thank you. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Girl, will you run, come and give me your love? Oh yeah, your true love.
Listen it.
come on, baby. From the day I know myself, I be the drinker. Oh yeah, I be the drinker. From the day I know myself, I be the drinker. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yeah. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Ooh, come on, baby, yeah, yeah. Get down, get down, get down. Whoa, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, lady. Oh, yeah. Ooh, come on, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, you know, up to storm, you gotta be calm too. I'm gonna take things down now. Ladies, your time. These arms of mine. Listen me. Say so, say so. How you feeling out there? What up? All right. These arms of mine, they are lonely, lonely and feeling blue. These arms of mine, they are yearning, yearning for wanting you. And if you would let that hold you, oh, Henry, oh, I believe the arms of mine, they are wanting, wanting to hold you. These arms of mine, they are burning, burning, oh, 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 burning, oh, you. And if you would let them, oh, you, oh, I believe, oh, I believe. Come on, baby. Just be my little woman. Just be my lover. Oh, I needed somebody, someone to treat me right. Oh, and I need you warm, loving arms. Oh, hold me tight. And I need your tenderness. Whoa, whoa, whoa. wonder if you people really understand how sweet it is to be in love. You see, love is God. Love is precious. Love is something everyone would like to have a hold of. So, let's do it.
We thank you. However, I heard that DJ Vin had one more in there for you, and I'd love to hear another one, please and thank you.
Okay, I gotta do another one for the ladies. May sound funny, but I just can't stand the pain. 'Cause I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I do all that I can. I see a big stone and a barrel. Yeah. Ooh. Said I'm easy. Let me hear you sing it out, Mom. I'm easy like. I said I'm easy. Oh yeah. I'm easy like Sunday morning. Everybody wanna cling to me, and I paid my dues to make it. Everybody wants me to be what they want me to be. I'm not happy when I try to face it. Oh, I'm easy, baby. I'm easy like Sunday morning. Oh, yeah. Said I'm easy. Hold on. I'm easy like Sunday morning. Yeah. Wanna be. So I wanna be free to know the things I'm doing alright. Wanna be free. Just be. Easy like Sunday morning, but I feel I'm easy, yeah. Easy like Sunday morning, oh Lord, till I'm easy. I'm easy like a Sunday morning. Oh, Lord. Oh, I feel I'm easy. I'm so easy. lot of shoes like that one. Easy. I know. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dennis Walks, for being in the building tonight. Give him a loud and bigger round of applause than that, please. Much love and blessings to you, King Man. Much love. Isis. We give thanks for that one.